Welcome everyone. As we follow the Cannes Film Festival, we are filled with anticipation for the premieres gracing us this year. Today, let us dive into the screening of The Count of Monte-Cristo, a film that not only received an impressive standing ovation, but also showcased a stunning red carpet presence. This year, Mathieu Delaporte and Alexandre de la Batelière, adaptation of The Count of Monte-Cristo, totally stole the show. They received nearly 12 minutes of non-stop applause at the world premiere. You will be intrigued to know that Delaporte and de la Batelière, the masterminds of this adaptation, excelled with The Three Musketeers. So you know you are in for a cinematic treat. Now, picture Pierre Ninet, Anaïs Demoustier, Laurent Lafitte, and Pier Francesco Favino bringing Alexandre Dumas' classic adventure novel to life on the big screen. It is a tale of betrayal, revenge, and redemption set in a world of luxury and intrigue. Also, if you have seen it, the directing duo talked about the revenge theme earlier in an interview. They mentioned how they wanted the movie to have this fancy Baroque style, smoothly moving from one scene to another to portray the complexity of the storyline. Also, there were some glamorous highlights from the cast, like Anaïs Demoustier looking stunning in a Celine outfit and Boucheron jewelry. Her ensemble included a fitted jacket and straight pants, but it was the accessories that really stood out. She wore a diamond brooch shaped like leaves on her collar and a silver earring in the shape of a palm d'or. So creative, isn't it? Another actress from the film, Anna Maria Bartolomé, graced the carpet in a simple brown ruffled Chanel dress. The actor Pierre Ninet also presented a timeless men's fashion look with a Gucci attire, complemented by Boucheron jewelry. Attendees also delivered some show-stopping look at this screening. One standout was Farhana Bodhi in a dramatic and extravagant blue gown by Michael Cinco. Another striking blue appearance was from Nikki Hilton, who wore a stunning sky blue satin gown by Rebecca Valance. Additionally, Elsa Host's black and white Prabal Gurung gown with a long silk train paired with Tiffany & Company jewelry became an example of classic elegance. The film didn't just get us more excited about its release, but the screening also gave us some really amazing moments. That's what the red carpet does, right? It surprises us with fashion and gets us even more pumped for the film. Let's wait and see what kind of buzz The Count of Monte-Cristo brings us after its release. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned for more updates from the lively world of the Cannes Film Festival.